Welcome back to Time with Modi, Time with me, Modi Timekole. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to you too. While we're here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for notification every single time I post a video, and follow my socials. Let's be friends on social media. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and it's like a little mini vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys the process of me going to purchase this big girl item that I purchased. I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone 12 mini. Me. I'm still in disbelief that I actually got it for myself, and I'm so proud of myself. But I'm gonna be making a big girl purchase, and I'm gonna be going with Katinka. Katinka is gonna be coming with me. You guys already know Katinka from the last vlog. I don't know when this video is gonna go up because my things are already recorded, so all I need to do is just post. Guys, my stuff, they ready me. But anyway, you guys are gonna be seeing Katinka. I'm gonna be meeting with Katinka. She's gonna come and fetch me, and then we're gonna go to Target or Walmart, and I'm gonna go and buy a gift card because I don't have no bank card. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be going to buy an Apple gift card, and then I'm going to load that gift card with money because I don't have a bank card yet. And then I'm going to go to the Apple store. And then I'm going to have to make my purchase. Then I'm going to go in the Apple store. And I'm going to go and fetch my big girl purchase. Guys, so I'm going to be purchasing an iPhone 12 mini today. And today is the 4th of March 2020, guys, and all of this is my money. None of this is my mom's money. This is all my money buying this for myself. So I'm excited. So
oh my god, it's here. Look. Yeah. We can
pay for the phone.
She just bought a new phone, a new iPhone. Awesome.
So we're gonna wait for it for them to tell us to pick up. I'm so nervous.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I'm so nervous. I'm not even recording. So the items are ready to pick up. I'm nervous, and Katinka got herself a coffee. Everybody is happy. I'm nervous.
I'm excited, but it's not my phone. But I'm excited.
I hope that the line isn't long.
No, it won't be.
It won't be.
Or it will be going quick.
Right?
And
the line isn't that long. That's good. What?
Internal air issue anytime I'm doing I tried 2 different easy things too. You're good to go. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure you get a receipt.
I gotta get it right. Let's show the bag.
Guys. I'm still shocked.
Yeah, you should be. You have a new phone. Prove it. Oh, you can show the. Yeah. Now she has a broken phone. So cool.
And welcome back, guys. I come back. It's my time to shine. So I've been home for I came back home. I've been home for the past 2 hours, and I've just been, doing normal things, living my normal life. Everything is here. Everything is here. It will be. And I'm gonna be unboxing it for you guys. I'm gonna be I've watched so many unboxing videos, and I cannot believe my time has arrived. It's my time. My time has arrived, and I'm gonna be unboxing for you guys, with you guys. I tried to call my mom because I wanted to unbox it with her, and then she's sleeping because it's currently 1 a.m. back at home, so obviously she's not gonna be awake. So I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys. Oh guys, I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud that I was able to purchase this with my own money, not with my mom's money, not with whoever's money, my own money. I made a big girl purchase today, guys. I made this big girl purchase today. So I'm gonna be taking out of the box let's take it out of the, not in the box, the bag. Yeah. Apple. So, guys, are you ready? Okay. Guys, okay. So it says my name because I had to go and pick it up because you can't go into the store. And shout out to Katinka, guys. Thank you so much, Katinka. I truly appreciate you. If it wasn't for Katinka, I wasn't going to be able to go and pick up my phone today. They were going to deliver it tomorrow because of Katinka. Yay! Sitolile. But anyway, it has my name and my surname. And then it says I got the iPhone 12 mini in white. 256 gig. 256 gig, because my phone currently is 128 gig, but I've been stuffing with space for the past few months, and I was like, I need to bump it up. I need to bump it up and get more space, so more YouTube content can be on here, guys. It feels like God, just so much is going through my mind. I don't even know where to start. But I got it in white. I wanted a rose gold because I love rose gold, as you guys can see. Like, I love rose gold. My old phone is rose gold. The one that's filming this is rose gold, and now I'm gonna be moving on to white. I don't have my covers yet, but covers are being delivered next week. I ordered my covers on Sunday because I was meant to actually buy this phone tomorrow, but I just bought it today because I can, and I thought that I was going to buy this phone next week, but you guys don't care about that. You guys are here for the unboxing. You guys are here for the unboxing. So as you guys can see, Moritime 12 mini, 256 gig. My baby, she's here. Welcome, my new baby. And today is the 4th of March, and I got my phone on the 4th of March. I'm proud of myself. But yeah, let's unbox this, guys. I don't even know how to start because I've watched so many videos. Aesthetically pleasing. I hope mine will be good. Let me stop rambling. So obviously, the first thing I need to do is remove the paper. So I hope I don't drop it because I have nothing, but let me use my right hand. Let me bring it closer for you guys. Okay. You guys, this box is just aesthetically pleasing. I'm glad to opening my new phone, guys. I've been wanting to buy myself a new phone for such a long time, and I can't believe that it's actually happening. Okay, next one, let me put it like this. It doesn't matter how I put it, doesn't matter. Okay, this is like what the inside of the box looks like. There's like really nothing, but guys, I bought myself this phone. Here's my phone. It doesn't, why isn't it focusing? But like, okay, let me go back. So as you guys can see, it's still brand new, hasn't been touched. How am I supposed to take it out? Do I take it out my left or my right? Do I take it out on this side? Let me do this carefully. Okay, so it just took everything out of the box. So here is, let me actually put this stuff down. And it's covered, the screen is covered. Guys, this phone feels so light. You guys are in Tontonis before we open the phone. So I got the charger adapter. Why isn't this focusing? So I got the charger adapter, and then I need to buy the charger head, because this one doesn't have a charger head, but apparently I can still use my old charger, so that is great. And then obviously the Designed by Apple thing and Apple stickers and the pin that you should never lose, and I still have mine from my phone. And there isn't a lot of papers. There isn't any earphones. I knew that there wasn't any earphones. Now here is the new baby, the iPhone 12 mini. She feels so light. She feels so light. So now I'm gonna take off this plastic. Where do I even put my SIM card? Oh, the SIM card holder is here now. The SIM card holder is here at the bottom, close to where the buttons are. And it tells you what button does what. Now I'm just gonna open it. Look at how clean the screen is. Guys, I feel like I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Helen, where's the volume? The on button is here. It's bigger now. The on and off button. Oh, has it always? No, it's bigger now. It's glass. The back is glass. So from a 7 to this is like a big change for me. I don't have any cover. I don't have any screen protector. I don't think I'm going to be using this phone until like I actually get stuff. But like, let's switch it on. I'm going to switch it on camera. Let's see. Hi. I did this. I did this. Wow. I'm so proud of myself. Guys, I did this with my own money. My own money. My own money. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm still in disbelief. And obviously I need to charge the phone and whatnot. I'm gonna let this phone charge. Obviously I need to like choose the language and the what words. Should I do it on camera? Let me do it on camera. So obviously I'm gonna choose English. Select your region. I'm in the United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this one. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options or settings, make sure it is running on iOS 11 or Bluetooth is turned on. I don't want the stuff that is on this phone to come over here because I don't want to release this phone. So I'm just going to say set up manually, and I'm just going to set everything up manually, and I'm going to take it from there. Guys, I did it. Guys, but yeah, I don't know what else the other unboxing people say. The phone is lighter. And it comes with the adapter, the fast charging adapter, you know. I'm just happy and proud that I was able to get it, and I'm proud of myself. I'm literally so proud of myself. I'm proud of this achievement. I'm proud that I was able to use my own money. I'm proud of it. Moditime, well done. And you know what, but like, yeah guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next